We're at the coop right now. This is a Blizzard 2022, number 3, the update. It's towards the end of the day and just left out some food from one of our contributors, about a half a bucket. But, what do we have here? Some raw chicken, hamburger meat, leftover romaine, some ham. We separate the ham by hand so that when we give chicken feed, we know there isn't any chicken in it. That's pasta. And that right there is a scallop. I don't know if you see that. And some of it's oatmeal. What else we have in there? Excuse me. Hi, girls. Hi. Hey, don't fight anybody. Don't have to fight anybody. Hey. She has a big